Yes, so guys, fresh puff puff is ready. Is ready. Is ready. It's very ready. Okay. Open this one. Puff puff is ready. Yes, guys, this is the handwork of a woman who knows what time to prepare and what to prepare. Yes, so as my papa they shine. Guys, our puff puff done ready. Our puff puff done ready. We have to fry. We put water. This water like this, I go to touch my hand. It's warm water. And then I put them for low heat. Guys, this is how we cut the puff puff. Let's just tasting whether done ready. Not too much fire. It will just brown, not done inside. This is our puff puff. Yes. Now how you come on foam like this? Oh yeah. Guys, after this you dey cover them. Cover them. My hand. You wash my hand now.